Hello guys, so today I'm gonna talk about how to print anything on this console. So there's three different ways you can actually print it. First is just print, second is println, and third is printf. Okay. So if I wanna print something without a line break, I will use just print with no ln. So if I tell Josh, and if I print the same thing, is smart. Even though I did in a different line or different statement, since I didn't use an ln, which stands for breaking a line, it won't go to the next line. So if I try to run it, everything will be printed on the same line. But it's too messy, right? So what you can do, you can give a space there and space here, and if I try to run it, and now it's beautiful. Josh is smart. um Print ln will give you a line break. So if I do the same thing, say do the same thing, but I add line break ln, but I try to run it now, and everything will be at the different line. So Josh is smart. So you might be thinking, why Josh in the same line with this? Josh is smart. Okay, and yes, Josh is handsome. Okay. Okay, so why Josh is at the same line with Josh is smart? Well, when you executed this, there's no line break here, right? So you still haven't go to the next line, so it's still here, it's still here. So it will be printed, the Josh will be printed at the same line, and then there's a line break, right? And then it will go to the next line. So what you can do is you can add a escape sequence. How? This is how. Okay, you use a slash and then you'll add n. So if you try to run this, it will go to the next line. So everything that you write after a backslash is called an escape sequence. So examples are, you can type /n or /t or slash double quote, or um, I mean that's all I can remember. Okay, so let's just see what all of this mean. So if I type \n, that means there's a line break, so it must go to the next line. If I tell \t, I'm telling give a big space. So sorry for my ringtone. Okay, uh, so let's say I print Rachel, Monica is pretty. Okay, if I run this t, even though I didn't give any space there, this \t will give a space here. So if I run it, it will come Monica with a space is with a space and pretty. So as you can see, the space here is not uniform. So to give an exact space, or how many digits of space, character of space you want to give, you can just kind of like type it out, just type 2, and now it's kind of uniform instead of using the \t. And yep, Monica with a 2 space and a 2 space here. But you do can use this backslash t. So where do you use this backslash t? Okay. Since string, when you telling something is a string, you need to use double quote, right? But what if you need to print the double quote itself? Let's say I want to print. Um, let's comment everything out first to make it less messy. Okay, let's say I want to print hello world, but I want to print this double quote too. Well, how? Can you add a double quote here? No. Why? Because if you do that, then the computer or the Java will think that this is the beginning and this is the end. So whatever you want to print must be between these, like between these. So it's kind of thinking that the string already ended. So to prevent that, you add the backslash here. And now, if you run it, the double quote is printed as a literal string. Okay. So those are that's all about print and println. Basically, print has no line break and println has line break. And printf got a lot more, so I'll do in another video. So that's all for this video, and thank you.